In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to loop a video on Vimeo using end screen interactivity. If you want your Vimeo video to play continuously, perfect for event screens, waiting rooms, or background visuals, there's a built-in loop option you can enable right inside Vimeo's editing tools. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to your Vimeo account and that your plan includes interactivity features because the loop option we'll use is available to premium users. If you don't see the options mentioned here, you may need to upgrade your plan or check that you have permission to edit the video. Start by opening Vimeo in your web browser. On the left-hand sidebar, click Library. This is where all your uploaded videos live. Find and open the video you'd like to loop. It helps to choose the exact version you intend to share publicly so the change applies where you need it. With the video open, look again to the left-hand toolbar and select Interactivity. This panel contains tools that let you add interactive elements to your video's viewing experience. From here, choose End Screen. The end screen controls what viewers see the moment your video finishes. Inside the end screen settings, select More Videos. This layout is designed to guide viewers into additional playback rather than stopping at a static end. Within that same area, turn on Loop. This tells Vimeo to automatically replay your video when it reaches the end, creating a seamless loop without any manual clicks. When you're ready, click Create to apply the setting. Vimeo will save your end screen configuration and attach it to the video. Once enabled, your video will restart on its own each time it finishes. This is especially useful for embedded players on websites, public displays, or anywhere you want uninterrupted playback. If you're managing multiple versions of a video, double-check that you applied the change to the correct item in your library. And if you don't immediately see interactivity or end screen on the left, try expanding your browser window or revealing the full sidebar, as the layout can compress on smaller screens. That's all you need to do. Open Vimeo, head to your library, choose the video, go to Interactivity, set the end screen to More Videos, enable Loop, and click Create. Your video will now play on repeat, hands-free. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, make sure to keep your plan and permissions in mind the next time you want to loop a different video.